With incredible views and a glass of Washington wine in hand, it's hard not to have a great time. And here at Tsillan Cellars and their partner restaurant, Sorrento's Ristorante, you can get that and a great meal as well.
It looks like a painting.
Seeing the view and then this venue, it's just really amazing.
The wine, the food, it doesn't get any better than this in Tsillan.
This began as a vision 25 years ago.
Dr. Bob Jankelson is the founder and owner of Tsillan Cellars. After traveling and falling in love with Italy, he was determined to bring that same experience to Tsillan.
The culture of Italy is something they call la dolce vita, the sweet life. And it's bringing together great food, great wine, friends and family, and just mixing it all into an experience.
It's Italy here in Washington State with a gorgeous view of the lake.
Maybe I'm still in Italy, I don't know.
Don't miss later in the show when Chef John Webster and I make a special cherry pork dish.
It might spit a little bit at you, but if you want to pour that wine in here.
I can do that.
Yeah, just dump it all in there. Beautiful.
Yeah.